Hello everyone, Helen here and welcome. Today I'm going to recreate these two cards that I designed for Whimsy Stamps, and I'll be using the positive and the negative side of the glimmer hot foil, so stay tuned for that. But I'm going to show you for now what I'm bringing in. I'm bringing in the Mom's Day stamp set, the Floral A2 hot foil plates, the pierced and stitched circle dies. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the Floral hot foil on my glimmer hot foil machine there, and here are all the elements I'm bringing in. 2 colored cardstocks for my stash, and I'll be using the Opal Glimmer Hot Foil by Spellbinders. I've gone ahead and colored my images with simple Copic coloring, and so I warmed up my machine already, and I'm going to go ahead and run this through my machine. So here it is in real time, you guys. It is so beautiful, and I picked this colored cardstock by Stampin' Up called Seaside Spray, and I think that it really shows off that opal translucent color. And then here's the negative side of the glimmer hot foil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn over my hot foil plate on the flat side, and I'm going to go ahead and warm that up, and then I'm going to put the negative side of the foil on top, and then my cardstock again, and then I'm going to go ahead and run this through again my die cutting machine. And here it is. And as you can see, it's really like it just looks the same, but I didn't get the full I guess print, so I'm just gonna trim this to size, that way it doesn't look like I have a blank space on the top and right side. So one is about 3 3/4 by 5, and then my other card is 4 by 5 1/4, and I did bring in some of this it's kind of like a pearl foil mat, and I gave it about 1/8 of an inch. So for the circle, I'm using the 3.5 inch diameter circle, and I just lined that up where I'm gonna put my my image. Same goes for this one, and I chose the Mom You're Terrific, and then the other one I chose Happy Mother's Day. And I will be putting this on the right side of my card front, and then I'll be trimming the circle just to give it a little touch of interest. I think like by trimming this just a little bit, I think it gives the card interest. And again, I'm going to do the same thing with my second circle here. And what I love about the circle is it has this beautiful stitch detail to it. And then I'm going to go ahead and trim that. And so now I'm going to put my colored images, and I did pop these up with some foam tape or dimensionals. I have to say that I am really getting into the hot foil world here, because it's so fun and it's so easy, and I encourage you guys to give it a try. And it does look daunting at first, but the more you do it, the easier it gets, if that makes any sense. So yeah, give it a try. It's really easy. And for the last finishing touch, I'm going to go ahead and add some bling to this. I'm going to add some of these confetti, mirrored confetti. And for this one, on the left card, I'm going to add 3 of them, and then for the right card, I'm going to add 5, only because I have a lot of white space on the bottom right, and that will complete my card. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe. For more Whimsy Stamps inspiration, you can visit us on the links down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.